Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's project is sales prediction application. We have created this application using Streamlit platform. This is a web application for the given model. So this model will predict the sales, means the number of units, total number of units sold on the basis of some parameters like for instance here we'll change the value, the number of TVs, number of units for the TVs, let's say 200 sold. Radio is let's say 150 radios were sold and 300 newspapers were sold. Now let's click the predict button. So this model has predicted the total number of sold units, basically the sales. So this the output will be less accurate because we have created this model using small dataset. So for the accuracy you need to increase the size of the dataset, means the more the data, the more the accurate the model is. So if you want to get the source code for this project, here you can click the file section and you can go on app.py. So here it is a source code for the project. You can access it. And this is the application. Thank you. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.